American muscle car. GTX Plymouth. The Plymouth GTX, focusing on the years it was in production, which was from 1967 to 1971. Engine options. 1967 to 1971, various V8 engines were offered, including 440 cubic inch, 7.2L, Super Commando V8. 426 cubic inch, 7.0L, Hemi V8, available in certain years. Other displacement options were available in earlier years, such as the 383 cubic inch, 6.3L, V8. Power output. Depending on the engine option and model year, power outputs varied. The 440 V8 typically produced around 375 to 390 horsepower, while the legendary 426 Hemi could produce well over 400 horsepower in some configurations. Transmission. Available transmissions included 4-speed manual transmission, 3-speed automatic transmission. Performance. Acceleration and top speed varied based on engine and transmission configurations. The GTX was known for its quick acceleration and impressive top speeds, particularly when equipped with the powerful 426 Hemi engine. Dimensions. Length, approximately 206 to 209 inches. Width, approximately 76 to 79 inches. Height, approximately 53 to 55 inches. Wheelbase, approximately 116 to 117 inches. Weight. Depending on options and equipment, the Plymouth GTX weighed around 3,600 to 3,800 pounds. Fuel economy. Fuel efficiency was not a primary concern for muscle cars of this era, with most models achieving relatively low miles per gallon figures, especially when equipped with high-performance engines. Actual fuel economy would vary significantly based on driving conditions and the specific engine-transmission combination. Features. The Plymouth GTX was available with various features and options, including upgraded interior trim, performance-oriented suspension components, power steering, power brakes, and other amenities.